Hey, it's Josh.
And Heath.
And welcome to our room here on the 7th floor in the corner at Opus.
It's beautiful.
It's crazy. There is like a fireplace that goes from one side to the other, the living room to the bedroom. There's 2 bathrooms.
Poster bed.
Heated floor in the bathroom. And 2 TELUS LED TVs, which is amazing because I'm a Team TELUS Advocate. They provide me with my phone, my internet, our TV at home, and I am involved in some of their events, like being in their float at the Pride Parade, because they do a lot of stuff with the LGBT community, but also they are big into giving back to the community in other ways and being a very charitable organization. So since 2000, TELUS has given $525 million back to the community.
That's a lot of money.
And 8.7 million hours worth of volunteering.
That's a lot of time.
And since 2005, they've donated to over 4,900 charitable projects. And every year in the spring, they do TELUS Days of Giving. So last year I took part with them. It was their 12th annual. And I did gardening at the Dr. Peter Center, which is a facility that helps people who have HIV/AIDS and also financial hardship or mental issues they're dealing with, or addiction, things like that.
Or secondary health issues like hepatitis or diabetes or so on.
Yeah, and so this center helps them with food and counseling and nursing and that sort of thing. And so we took it a step further while we're having our staycation here in Vancouver and decided to do a bit more giving back and went back to the Dr. Peter Center, but this time to serve breakfast. People there who are eligible participants get 2 meals a day, breakfast and lunch, 7 days a week, to really help with them for managing the issues that they're dealing with their HIV/AIDS. Because of course, you know, if you've got health concerns and you don't have the money to, well, some of them are almost homeless or actually homeless. Some of them just don't have access to a kitchen or to proper food. So this ensures that they're getting nutrient-dense meals, and they need people to volunteer to help serve those meals. So that's what we did, and it felt great to give back that way.
Yeah.
To interact with people, just give them a smile, ask them how they're doing, and be a part of the community. The amazing cherry on top of it all is that TELUS is going to donate $500 to the Dr. Peter AIDS Foundation on my behalf to help with the amazing work that they're doing in our community. So thank you, TELUS.
Thank you.
That is amazing.
Everything helps.
Just one of the many reasons that I love being a Team TELUS Advocate. And also, thank you so much to the Opus for spoiling us with this incredible upgrade to our room.
Beautiful, sweet.
It is. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back soon with another video from our travels. Bye.
Bye.